Hello students, I am Sham Bhatia and I welcome to on Unacademy 123. Today we will discuss about the previous year questions and solutions for KCET. You know that Karnataka Common Entrance Test for technical as well as the professional courses. So let's start. And I request you, if you are new on this channel, then just subscribe it. And this video is really helpful for you. Then at last you have to like it also. Let's start. This is the front page of the Karnataka CET, you can say paper. Yes, this is the KCET previous year 2018 physics. I am discussing the physics background questions, and as soon as it will completed, and the next coming videos we will include the physics questions as well as the whole question paper. Okay, and in this video we are talking about and the solution of the KCET. Okay, and here you are watching that this is the 2018 question paper, you know, and physics, and it is started. This is the time duration, total maximum answering. Okay, 70-minute time, and this is the time duration, and this is the marks and etc. You can easily watch it. And I am taking one more question from this, and this is the two particle, you can say two particle m1 and m2 mass are equal kinetic energies and the ratio of their momenta. This is, I think it is the Kannada language, and if you know that and your medium is Kannada, then you can also use this. But right now I am discussing the English portion, so we will discuss. And so kinetic energy, so then how will you write? Just represent the kinetic energy, nothing but E1. Okay, and how to represent the kinetic energy or simple energy? 1 by 2 you can write m1 and v1 and similar v1 square. Okay, and so because I need the momenta, and momenta is nothing but P is equal to, you can write nothing but P is equal to, you write m multiply with the speed of that body, so mv, but here v square, so I will multiply above and below by same number or same quantity, that is nothing but the m1. So what will here? m1 square v1 square, and here is the 2m1, so it will multiplied by e1, yes, into 2m1, you can write easily, equal to, and nothing but is the m1 v1, nothing but m1, nothing but it is the square, and v1 it is already square, so you can write easily p1 square, nothing but p1 square, and p1 is what? Momenta of the first mass. So easily I can write, or you can also write p1 directly proportional root under mass of what? m1, because here told us equal kinetic energy, so e1 e2 are same and 2 is the constant, so I put here the proportionality constant. So this is the equation 1, friends, and similarly you can write equation number 2 is also directly proportional root under similar, you can write the m2, and here you can write nothing but the, when you take it the ratio, then p1 upon p2, then p1 upon p2, the ratio of their momenta is root under m1 m2 is the C option is correct. The simple 1 or 2 step calculation if you do, then you can find easily what you need. So in Karnataka CET it is a very simple, it you can say just the slight above level from the your board exam, let's say, but JEE Mains and JEE Advanced have the different level of as compared to your KCET as compared to your board exam. So if you are preparing for JEE, then you have to update yourself for more. But if you are preparing for Karnataka CET, then I think it is the very simple. But until and unless you are not preparing for that, then it's not simple, because if you don't know who is the president of India, then how many years you can stay in your exam, but you don't know who is the prime minister or who is the president of India, because it's a fact. So the fact you have to know. Until and unless you are not knowing that fact, then you you can't take any steps in any direction. So I request first, so you have to know. And this is the nothing but, okay, this is the nothing but, I am erasing it. This is the nothing but the mass 1 kg carrying the charge to accelerated through the potential of the 1 volt, है ना, the velocity acquired by it. How to write? There are 2 or 3 methods I can solve it, but one more important method I am using that thing. How to like that? F is equal to, you know, ma, everyone know that from mechanics, from 11th portion, is equal to what is the electrostatic force? Nothing but the QE, nothing but the QE. Q is the charge on particle, okay, that is nothing but the Q E. And also I can write E is equal to what? E is equal to E dot D or S equal to, you can write the V. V stands for voltage or potential difference. So I can write here 2, and here the E is nothing but V, that is voltage or potential divided by E from here, yes or no? And it is the F equal to ma. M is 1 kg, put here, and F is 1 kg, and write A is the acceleration which it was accelerated, and you can write 2, okay. And what is the potential? It is nothing but the 1 volt and divided by the D, oh shit, D. Then AD, what will you find that? AD equal to nothing but the 2, okay, you know that thing. And 2, it is that, and equation of the third equation, you know, V square nothing but equal to U square, and tell me again what? 2AS. A acceleration, A. Preparing for Karnataka CET, then it's a better platform that is called Unacademy, and here Delhi T20 free practice set you are watching here, and link of that page I am pasting inside the description box, then you can easily reach by clicking at that link, okay. And here you will find the many free courses to qualify and to secure best rank in Karnataka CET. Let's start. So here you can now log in first of all by entering your mobile number, as well as you can find here, if you come down, then Karnataka CET for botany, geology, physics. Let's say you are taking that, and that the start test, and here the 20 minutes and 20 marks and 20 questions. And how to do that? Nothing but just come and log in here, and every the same process. It is nothing but the enter your mobile number, and if you don't have mobile number, then you can enter also your, and after entering that you can easily log in. The free test series is going on, and it has been started, so you can come here and just join for free, okay. And Delhi T20 free practice test for Karnataka CET, so it is very maximizing mechanism to your score. So come here and just join. So here is the many you can say just like whatever Karnataka CET, and along with Karnataka CET you can start your test here, and by pressing and login. And if you come down, Karnataka maths and test 6 missed November, and so on and so on. It's CET T20 maths and test 9 and etc. You can, S stands for D for displacement, and put the AD is here too, okay. And accelerated, so it was started from the initial velocity 0. So V square, you can find it nothing but 2, and what is the value of AD? AD is the 2 again. So here V is equal to, you will got 2 to the 4. Again the answer is 2 meter per second. Which answer is correct? B option is correct, okay. That is the simpler. And oh, very nice, from the electrostatics, you can say the capacitance, and I can do that question paper in easy steps. So what will you do in that case? Nothing but Yes, it is what? It is the Wheatstone bridge. This is the, but you will say the Wheatstone bridge is applicable only in current electricity when the charge is flow and current is flow, and how to do that? Yes, I know that. But first of all, this capacitor is remove and place here like that, so that you can easily visualize the probability. Yes, this is the arm. You can say R1, in the current electricity R2. So right now I can use here what? I can use the C1, C2 and C3. So this is the nothing but C1, and it is the C2, and it is the C3, and it is the C4. Then how will you do that? Because Q is equal to, you know, nothing but CV. Yes, CV, but V equal to IR. How to come? Ohm's law. Ohm's law, you are doing that IR. So V is equal to IR. So you can put is equal to C I and R. You can write. Then here the relation between R directly proportional 1 by C. That is the main requirement I want to share you. So R, if here is the resistance, then it will be the inverse of that. Okay, so C1 is the 1 upon R1 value. So if I balance Wheatstone R1 upon R2, if I do that, then R1 upon R2 equal to R3 by R4 in current electricity. Then same analogous I inherit in R4. Why it is not working? Okay, R4. Then R1 is equal to 1 upon C1 and R2 is equal to 1 upon C2. So finally it will come C2 by nothing, C2 by C1 equal to C4 by C3. Okay, C3. And here you can balance that, because 4 by 4 and this 4 by 4, so this is the 4 microfarad. Then there is a no use, because it will complete the V here, or you can say the V dash, and here is also V dash, here is also V dash, because it is the same potential, that both point has come on the same potential. So there is a no charge flow between, let's say, A to B. So this is the useless. So it is the nothing but series combination. It is the nothing but series combination. Take it, because I have to find out so A and B used here. So let's say P and Q for confusion. Okay. So 4 and 4 are in series. So what will you do? 4 into 4 in series combination. The 4 to the 8. So you will have 4 to the 8 and 2 to the, what will you say, 2 ampere, 2 microfarad. So the equality, the 2 microfarad, and here is also 2 microfarad, because both thing. And in parallel combination, only the simple 2 plus 2 4. Which answer is correct? So your answer is 4. Your answer is 4, because 2 microfarad and 2 microfarad in parallel. So 2 plus 2 is 4, rightly. So the A option is correctly. And right now I am going to another. It's not a question, because it is just a laddu question. Okay, how to do that? This 3 and nothing but this 3. Why 3 is not? Shit. I can write. Yes, it's working. 3 plus 3 in series. So 6 ohm is the here, and 6 ohm parallel to 6 ohm. So the equivalent of that, how much? 6 into nothing but 6 into divided by 12, because 6 plus 6 is 12. Take it and cut out 2 and 2 3 ja, and 3 ohm, because it is a series with 5 ohm, it is also series with 4 ohm. So what will I have? 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3 in series. So ultimately the 12 ohm resistance, P and Q. So this is the some question I have taken for you, and I have studied. If any doubt related to it, just put your comment. And if you join free courses for Karnataka CET, then I have pasted the link in description box, then it is the very helpful for you. So, and if you like this, just like, and if you really helpful for that thing, and just we will include the whole question paper of Karnataka CET in next coming video if you do the positive response. Okay, thank you, bye bye. We will see in next videos.